Okay, in this video we'll be showing you how to use Adobe Acrobat DC in place of the TerraGo toolbar. First you need to find the software, so I recommend you just search under free download Acrobat. You'll find it, click on it, and you can go to the Get Started. Acrobat DC is the latest version of Adobe Acrobat Reader that has some measurement capabilities built in. First you'll need to fill in your information, create a password. This will allow you to download the Pro version. There is also a standard version that runs on PCs but will not run on a Mac. So if you want to use a Mac, this is your opportunity. You'll need a password, and this will allow you to get into any of the Adobe site features. Select your location, and they use the birth date as an identifier and a challenge. And then if we click on the sign up button, we'll get the opportunity to download whatever installer works for our particular type of computer. Once you've got Acrobat DC installed, you can load it. I've already downloaded the Arizona quad, Union Hills, and we can control things and look at the various layers as we've done already in the from the National Map Viewer. We have some extra functions that deal primarily with documents within Acrobat. What we need to do first is go down to the Preferences setting and change the default settings, which are in imperative units, to metric units. I've already switched the miles to meters and the degrees to decimal and the aerial units from square miles to square meters. Let's click on OK. And we go back to the software. Next we want to go over and use the tools. They're not where you would think they are in the tools layer here. We need to go down under Manage Tools. Manage Tools pops up the whole suite of tools. One of them is called Measure. It's the one we're going to select. Measure activates this little toolbar, which we can click on to give us these three additional options for measurement. The measuring tool, which we're using right here, allows you to click on a point or a series of points and measure length. So here we're just measuring the distance between two mountain peaks, and the result shows us the distance in the azimuth and the latitude and longitude. Only to 4 decimal places, and you'd need to convert that to military grade or whatever other coordinate system you're using, using one of the online tools. We also have a object data tool and the geospatial location tool. Those allow us to deal with curved lines and polygons, and to deal with distances from lines, as well as extracting coordinates from the map.